To get PrizePicks in the UK, you need to understand that PrizePicks is a fantasy sports platform that allows users to place over or under bets on various sports statistics. Since PrizePicks is not directly available in the UK, you will have to use a VPN to access the platform. First, choose a reputable VPN provider and download their software or app. Install the VPN on your device. Then launch the app and select a US server location, as PrizePicks is available in the US. Once you have connected to the US server, go to the PrizePicks website and sign up for an account. You will need to provide basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, you will need to deposit funds to start placing bets. PrizePicks accepts various payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal. Make sure to check the minimum deposit amount and any applicable fees. When placing bets, you can choose from a variety of sports and statistics, such as the number of points a player will score or the number of yards a team will gain. You can place over or under bets, and the payout will depend on the likelihood of the outcome. To maximize your chances of winning, it is essential to research the teams and players, and stay up to date with the latest news and trends. You should also set a budget and stick to it, as betting can be addictive. Finally, it is crucial to understand that betting should be done responsibly, and you should never bet more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps and best practices, you can get started with PrizePicks in the UK and enjoy a fun and exciting fantasy sports experience. Remember to always check the terms and conditions of the VPN and PrizePicks, and ensure that you comply with all applicable laws and regulations. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can make the most of your PrizePicks experience and potentially win big.